Guys, it's the boy Kirk here. We're making our garlic fried rice tonight. So I already got the chicken cubed up, cut into pieces. We got a chicken already. We got some green onion and carrots. And we got some garlic and butter. We got some Kikkoman soy sauce as well. So brown the chicken. Make sure you cook it well on one side. See, it's still raw there, but you want it to cook through well. Just cook that up, and then we'll be back shortly. Okay guys, so the chicken is done cooking. Very well cooked. Chicken is done, so I'm gonna dump them in this bowl here. I got a paper towel at the bottom to drain the liquid. And later we can just take that out easily, so no worries. Yep. I'm gonna wipe that pan out with a paper towel. Okay, we're gonna wipe all that pan. All our chicken juice out of there. Add a little bit oil to that. Start frying up our vegetables. It's our onions, green onions, and tomatoes. Carrots. Typically, you want 1 teaspoon of the vegetables per 1 teaspoon of vegetables per bowl of rice. And you salt, pepper that. Some salt and pepper. You want to create layers when you cook layers of flavor. Add some salt and pepper. Then saute it up for just to cook them, not too hard, but just to cook them up so they're edible. Carrots are soft. So let that go. Cook down till the carrots are soft, and we'll be back. So the vegetables are done cooking. We're just gonna dump them in the same thing as the chicken, because they're all going in the same place. You know, like easy cooking, so make sure you take this out first though, the paper. Make sure to take that out first. Chicken is nice and dry now. You can dump that in there. You don't need to get it all out. And I also scrambled egg. You know how to scramble eggs, so you know. So now we're gonna add our rice to the pan. Add the chicken back to it. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce into there. Just mix it up very well. Dump the chicken in. Chicken vegetable mixture. We just saved ourselves 2 dishes right there by doing that. Sprinkle some soy sauce. You can always add more. You can always add more of this stuff, but you cannot take away, guys. So go easy peasy. And you don't want to put the garlic in for last because it's going to burn. The eggs too. The eggs will go in at the last minute. For now, you just want to mix this up very well, guys. It's hard to hold in the camera and mixing. So we're going to turn it off and we'll be back shortly once it's all mixed up well. Okay guys, so we're back. So I got it all mixed up well. I added a little more soy sauce. You want to look kind of brown like that. And now we're almost at the end, guys. We're going to add our finely minced garlic and butter. Dump it on in there. And at this point you want to turn it down from high to like 4. So you don't want to burn the garlic. It's going to get bitter. You want to get all those delicious morsels of garlic in there. You can toss your egg in there too now. Toss your egg in there too. Toss the scrambled egg. You want to break the scrambled egg into pieces. And then just mix that up. You want the garlic to cook, so you want to mix it up well. And then when that butter melts, it's gonna bring it all together. Oh yeah, just stir it all up. Mix it all up. Make sure you keep stirring because the garlic, you don't want the garlic to stick to the bottom to burn. Oh yeah, just mix it all up, and it'll be done. At the end of this, you could add fresh chopped green onions if you wanted to too. But yeah, that's the garlic fried rice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love y'all. Peace out.